viewers, welcome to Ezon File YouTube channel. In today's video, we learn about YouTube marketing. So let's jump into our main video. So first, what is YouTube marketing? YouTube marketing means it involves using the YouTube platform to promote products, services, brands, or content to a target audience. It's a form of a digital marketing that leverages the massive reach and engagement potential of YouTube's video sharing platform. YouTube marketing offers immense opportunities for brands and creators to connect with their audience, build communities, and achieve their business objectives. That means we can use YouTube platform to promote a product or a service or brand or content to a target customer or target audience. And promote means we can use YouTube to create video, share video, SEO our video. Okay, so what is the key aspects of YouTube marketing? So what is the key aspects of YouTube marketing? First, content creation. Creating engaging and high-quality videos that resonate with your target audience. This could include product demonstrations, tutorials, testimonials, vlogs, or any other type of content that aligns with your marketing goals. Optimization for search. Optimizing your videos for YouTube's search engine to increase visibility and ranking. This involves using relevant keywords in titles, description, and tags, as well as creating compelling thumbnails and engaging video content. Next aspect is audience engagement. Audience engagement means building and nurturing a community of subscribers through regular interaction, responding to comments, and encouraging viewers to like, share, and subscribe to your channel. Next, promotion and distribution. Promoting your videos across various online channels such as social media, email newsletters, blogs, or websites to reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your YouTube channel. Next, analytics and monitoring. This is another key aspects of YouTube marketing. Analyzing key metrics such as views, watch time, engagement, and conversion rates to measure the effectiveness of your YouTube marketing efforts and make data-driven decisions to optimize future campaigns. Next, advertising. This is another aspect. Utilizing YouTube's advertising platform such as give ads, display ads, or sponsored videos to reach specific target audiences and increase visibility and engagement for your videos. Okay, so this is the key aspects of YouTube marketing. So now we learn about objective, or before you start YouTube marketing, you must set your objective. So what is objective? Before diving into YouTube marketing, it's essential to establish clear objectives. This could include increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads or sales, building a loyal subscriber base, or establishing thought leadership in your industry. That means in which purpose or which objective you come to YouTube. Okay, so in person to person, that is many variation, or that is vary, because one person can make his objective is increasing brand awareness on YouTube, or another person his objectives are driving website traffic, or another person's objective can be generating leads or sales, or another person can set objective to building a loyal subscriber base. So first you identify your objective. That means which purpose you enter or start YouTubing journey. So here is the objectives, and in your marketing goals or your strategy you can select one. Okay, So next audience research. So what is audience research? Audience research means before we starting YouTube marketing or dive into YouTube, we must research our audience, because in YouTube we can grow our audience or make our audience to our customer. So if we do not research audience, then we cannot get better result from our YouTube marketing. So understanding your audience or your target audience is crucial for creating content that resonate with them. Conduct through research to identify demographics, our audience demographics, that means our audience's age, gender, location, our audience interest, what topics are they interested in, our audience's pain points, what challenges do they faces, and then behavior. How do they consume YouTube content? What types of videos do they watch? Okay, so that is audience research, and in today's video we learn about YouTube marketing, audience research, and setting our objectives. That's it for today. See you in next video. In our next video we'll create YouTube channel and then set up and then optimize. So see you next video. Till then, take care.